What is going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. So today we are jumping back on the Rzr, and as you can see from behind me, the motor is back in and all back together. We haven't started it yet, so hopefully this thing will go ahead and crank right up, but we're not too sure. So what originally happened was we filmed putting the motor together and putting it in, but that film got corrupted. We weren't able to use it, so now we're here. Motor's in. We're gonna button up a couple things, and then should be able to go ahead and crank this thing and get this thing started up. Cross our fingers that it starts, but stay tuned. Alrighty, guys, so we went ahead and buttoned some things up, and now this thing is finally ready to actually be started. Hopefully it starts, so let's go ahead and jump on and start this thing. Just got back from the first test drive, and the first test drive went really good. The motor seems to be running fine. We did run into a little problem though. We had the spark plug wire, and it hit the exhaust manifold, and it burnt that wire. So we went ahead and ordered a new one of those. There should be it, but for what we're gonna do right now, we're gonna go ahead and throw this thing back together, and that way, once we get that new one, this thing's 100% complete and ready to go. Alrighty, guys, so this thing is 100% complete, back together. Actually, I take that back. That spark plug wire, we're waiting on the new one to come into the mail, but we went ahead and it burnt through just the first layer of sheathing. So we went ahead and wrapped that up, threw that back on there. That way we can go ahead and take this thing out and test it, make sure everything is good before we actually do some real ripping with it. Alrighty guys, so it's a little bit later in the day. We're back at the house. As you guys can tell, we got that Rzr completely wrapped up. It's 100% complete. Besides the fact we're waiting on that spark plug wire to come in the mail, but we're going to go ahead and replace that off camera. And then it'll be good to go. But be sure to stay tuned because we got lots of future content coming, as long as more stuff with vehicles and more channel updates and stuff like that. So stay tuned for that. But if you like this video and like this series, please be sure to hit that thumbs up button and please subscribe. And we'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.